This video showcases Mr. Frank, a dashing and fashionable fitness model who demonstrated that true strength comes from discipline and daily responsibilities. Rather than depending on others, he takes pride in doing his own dishes, cleaning his home, and diligently managing household tasks. These everyday habits highlight his strong work ethic and modest character. In addition to following a regular gym routine, Frank maintains his physique, strength, muscularity, and energy by staying active throughout the day. His encompasses more than just weightlifting, it in also involves living with attention, accountability, and self-discipline. Frank inspires his audience to adopt healthy habits, remain active, and recognize that even simple daily actions play a role in fostering a stronger, healthier, and more confident life.